Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by assembling ingredients and prepping the chicken. Use 500 g all-purpose flour, 7 g instant yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 50 g sugar. Combine 300 ml warm water and 50 ml milk to activate yeast and hydrate the dough. Wait 5 minutes until bubbles appear. Prepare 500 g cooked chicken, shredded, seasoned with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. Then mix with 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon paprika for a moist filling. Combine flour mixture with 1 beaten egg, 50 g softened butter, and the activated yeast liquid. Mix until shaggy. Knead dough for 10 minutes until smooth and elastic, adding up to 30 g extra flour only if sticky. Transfer to an oiled bowl, cover with a damp towel, and let dough rise for 60 to 90 minutes in a warm place, covered until doubled. Punch down, divide into 8 equal portions of about 120 g each, and rest for 10 minutes before rolling or shaping to ease handling. On a lightly floured surface, roll each rested portion to a 3/5-inch disc and place about 60 g chicken filling in the center. Do not overfill. Fold and pinch edges, then gently roll to smooth the seam. Seal edges, brush with egg wash, and optionally top with sesame seeds for crisp color. Place on a line tray, allow a 10-minute second rest, then bake at 190 degrees C for 18 to 22 minutes until golden brown. Cool on a rack 5 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.